gonna change wiper blades on this new Renault Trafic. That's 2022 model, and it has wiper blade size 26 inch on driver side and 19 inch on passenger side. Yeah, first we're gonna remove the driver side wiper blade. To do it, just press this square button and pull the wiper from the arm. Now we're gonna need gonna put Heyner hybrid wiper blades. The 26 inches on the driver side, and we're gonna use top lock adapters to fit it. This car it's left-hand drive, so it's very important to have it on with letter L. That means left-hand drive. When it's letter R, it only fits right-hand drive cars. Now we're gonna fit top lock adapter on the wiper blade. There's a slot here where the metal bar clicks. Just click it, and now it's ready to fit on the wiper arm. So that's very simple. Just place it in the slot, pull it, and now wiper blade is secure. Now we're gonna do the same on the passenger side. Okay, now we're removing the wiper blade. Simply pull the wiper from the wiper arm. Now the top lock adapter is fitted on the letter L. That's left-hand drive car. If it's UK market and right-hand drive car, it's very important that letter need to be R. And now just fit it. Now the sun is nearly down, but we need to also do the rear one. Okay, this Renault Trafic, that's the 9-seater, so it has a tailgate and glass on the back, so it has the rear wiper blade. This one, to remove it, is quite easy. This fitting system called pinch tab, so you need to just squeeze this ends and twist the wiper against the arm, and now it's off. That's 16-inch long wiper blade on the back. We will need the adapter PT-3, and now first we need to fit this adapter on the wiper arm and then click wiper blade to the adapter. To fit it on, you need to open the head, so that's movable part. When it's open, you can easily fit it on the arm, and now when you lock it, if you look here on the bottom, if you lock it, this slot is for the wiper blade, and automatically this metal bar locks the adapter on the arm, so it's double security. Now we click it on. There's no way that adapter will open, and job done. Thank you for watching.